Okay, here we go. Let me turn this baby around here. We are now doing the Dingy Poker Run.
Today is Saturday, the 21st September, and we're getting ready here for the Dingy Poker Run. So it looks like a good day shaping up here. We have the dinghy in the water. I think it'll be a good day. So we'll catch up to you here in just a bit. We're going up to the captain's meeting here at 9:30. See you in a bit. Have a good one.
Everybody's out in their dinghies, and we're we got 5 stops to make, and then we do a party at the Marina. Yes, we will.
Yeah.
We'll put it up on the TV.
Andre.
Andre.
Okay.
All right.
Done.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. You
Fun
guys have a great
times.
day.
It's a little damp out here. Yeah. Get wet. Is that okay there? All right, hang on. You got no weight. And then we have one lone soldier here, just paddling his little butt off. All right. Oh, shit. Oh, you think that's funny, huh? You just think that's funnier than hell. Okay, here we go. We're coming up to the beverage boat. Looks like we got Emily and Cam.
Are you GoPro?
We're GoProing. We're going to put this on the TV tonight.
I love it. Ortega Landing Marina, #1, baby.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Ortega Landing.
Oh, there, coming up.
Cold beers. I got the koozies.
You got koozies?
I got-
All right.
Nice cold beer here.
Cold beer here. We got our group out here. There's old doggies. Oh yeah, I got that some back here, Mike. I only got 2 hands. Get a second. Hello. Howdy. All right, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much. Here we are.
Right there.
Okay, a little lumpy out here. We've done our poker run. Yeah, what do you think these are? 2-footers? We're heading back to the dock. Get the food for the potluck. Turn in our cards. And have some fun. That ought to be a hoot. It's down because we got some lines to get under. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Look at that smile. Alrighty. Yeah, check out that
A
smile.
little red for the house.
Oh, there.
This is called Boat Run.
Are we on record? Yeah, I think so. You see?
Yeah, it's on record.
Yeah, let me shut you off here. I've got issues. Is this recording?
What's that?
Is that recording?
Yes, it is.
Okay, then I got him. I thought it had to have a bigger doohickey. Okay. Yep, this is our marina here in Jacksonville, Florida. A lot of big boats, some small boats, sailboats. Okay. Is that on video?
Yeah.
Ice cold Coke beer here.
Now we're bouncing around.
Got beer in hand?
Yeah.
Had to make the beer run. Had the beer boat, I should say.
Yeah.
Alright, don't be talking to me now. I'll get after you. You know me. Well, tell me no.
I'm not telling you, no.
Yes, you did.
I said that's not right.
This is on video. So now, oh yeah, I got you now.